isn't it? I will tell you, Rahul, when the test will be. Yeah, children. So here I start. Pair of linear equation in two variable. Till now, we have seen the graphical solution. We have seen a method in which we used to plot the points which we are getting, and then we are drawing the graph, and further we saw whether they are intersecting or parallel or coincident. Based on that, we have found the solution, right? So today we are going to learn algebraic methods of solving pair of linear equations. So we are having two diversified methods, two methods for algebraic way. That is, one is substitution method and the other one is elimination method. So first, let me show you the slide. Here substitution method is there. I think you people are very familiar with the word substitution, right? What is the meaning of substitution? Substitution is nothing but to place something or somebody in the place of another thing or another body. That means, assume that we are in our physical class. In our physical class, generally what happens, if your maths teacher is absent or on leave, then what Rashika sir will be doing, he will be writing a substitution register where in that period for that particular class, some other teacher will be substituted. Means in the place of mathematics teacher, some other teacher is substituted. So that's called substitution. That means writing or placing something in the place of other thing. So how this method is going to help us? In this method, what we do actually, as you know that pair of linear equation in two variables will be having two different equations and two different variables will be there. Let us say they are x and y. So from those two equations, any one equation, first we have to express one variable in terms of the other variable. Let us say we are writing x is equals to something, as we have here 2x minus y is equals to 5. This is the first equation. 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. This is the second equation, right? In the first step, what we'll be doing, we will be making the x as subject. Here we have 2x minus y is equals to 5. In this, we will try to express x in terms of y. Now, how that is done? That is done like this. Let me take you to the board. What's the example we have here? 2x minus y is equals to 5. That's the first equation, right? And the second equation is 3x plus 2y equals to 11. 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. So this is one of the example question which I have taken. Now see beta. The first thing is you need to consider the given equations as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Aishwarya, you have entered the waiting room. Why people are entering the waiting room? Is my voice clear, children? Everybody, my voice is clear. My voice is clear. You're able to see the board. You're able to see the board. Yeah, thank you. That's great. That's great. So for some time till I complete this, even I am not looking at the chat option also. So you just write your name, give your attendance. That's it enough. Let me finish this substitution method. Then I will come back and I will give you access. So what did I say? Here we are going to consider equation number 1. Consider equation number 1 first. I have considered equation 1. And then I am going to write it again. 2x minus y is equals to 5. Now, what I will do? I will try to make the x as subject. That means we should transform this, or we should, change this equation as x is equals to something. So when we are able to do that, when we are changing this as x is equals to something, then we say that we have made x as a subject. Now, in simple terms, we need to transpose all the other thing, only x should be left. And what we will get? We will get 2x is equals to 5. This minus y will become plus y first. This minus y has gone to the other side. Now, even 2 will also come to the right hand side and we'll get x is equals to 5 plus y by 2. Now, this is what I call that x has been made as the subject. X has been made as the subject here, right? And we changed x in terms of variable y. X is written in terms of variable y. That is, in future, you can substitute x as 5 plus y by 2. In the place of x, you can write as 5 plus y by 2. Here, many people are again going back to waiting room. Yeah. Now what we have to do? Now we have to consider the equation number 2, right? That is substitute. Substitute. This is some equation number 3. Substitute equation number 3 in equation number 2. In equation number 2. Wow, what does it mean? Here, 1 and 3 are the same equations. Their appearance has been changed, right? So 1 again, I cannot substitute in 3 because it will be same. So that's why what we have to do, we have initially considered equation 1. We transformed it as x as a subject. And now that x value, we have to substitute in the second equation. What's the second equation? The second equation is 3x plus 2y equals to 11. Once again, don't feel as a burden. Please write that. Write that. What? 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. Right? And now, here you can see what I have done. I have written the second equation. In this, we have x. We have x, no. In the place of x, what I'm going to write? I'm going to write 5 plus y by 2. That is substitution. So let me write that. So 3 into x. In the place of x, I will write 5 plus y by 2. Then we have plus 2y is equals to 11. What happened? What happened? Until here, 3x plus 2y equals to 11. We have two different variables, x and y. But now there is no more x. The total equation is converted in one variable. We have both times y, isn't it? Yeah. So now we are going to get the value of y. That's it. So now let me multiply this 3 inside by taking inside. You know that you will get 3 5s are 15 plus 3y upon 2. Then we have plus 2y is equals to 11, right? And then further taking the LCM, we get here, just a minute, let me move ahead here, because we have place here. Right here, when you take the LCM, you will get the LCM as 2 and the numerators will become 15 plus 3y. That is 15 plus 3y into 1 is 15 plus 3y plus 2y into 2. So plus 2y into 2 is 4y is equals to 11. Now this 2 will be going other side. What I'm doing? I'm solving. 15 plus 3y plus 4y is equals to 22 is equals to 22. These two are like terms, so we can add that. 7y is equals to 22 and this 15 also will be transposed. We get minus 15. That is 7y is equals to 7. 7 1s are 7. So finally we are getting y is equals to 1. Wow. We got the value of y as 1. Now what I will do? Now here again I will substitute. Just a minute. Substitute y is equals to 1 in equation number 3. So is it compulsory that we should substitute in equation number 3 only? No. It's not like that. You can substitute in equation 1, or you can substitute this in equation 2, or you can substitute in equation number 3. But why I am substituting in equation 3 only? Because when you substitute in 3, we will get x as directly, because x is made subject here already, right? And we got y. Just place it here. And what is equation 3? Once again, we need to write here. Equation 3 is x is equals to 5 plus y by 2. X is equals to 5 plus y by 2. So we got the value of y as 1 by 2. So I substituted that, and I'm getting x is equals to 6 on 2. That is x is equals to 3, right? So we got both the values of x and 3. So at last you can write, therefore solution is, the question is solved. Now, what do you mean by solve? Solve means find the solution. The solution is 3, 1. So this is x and this is y. X is 3 and y is what? It is y. I hope everybody understood the substitution method. Yeah, just a minute. Yes, you can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot and show me thumbs up once. Yes. Okay. So children, here let me do some more clarification. Here I considered equation 1. So is it compulsory that always we should consider equation 1? No, it's not like that. Even you can consider, you can start with equation 2. You can make x as a subject or y as a subject. That's also option to you. You can make either x as a subject or y as a subject. But whatever you consider, and you will express one variable in terms of other. Now that should be substituted in another equation which you did not consider. That is important. That is important. I hope everybody is clear with the substitution method. This is what I call substitution method. So once again, let me show you the steps and let us assess whether we have followed the same steps or not. Sri Hari is raising hand. Just a minute, 1 minute. In the step 1, what did we do? In the step 1, one of the equation we expressed one variable in terms of other variable. Yes, we have done. Say in terms of x. So substitute the value of y, but we actually changed in terms of we changed the variable x in terms of y, and we substituted the value of x in the step 1 in the second equation, and then further we simplified, and finally we got the value of y. That y value we substituted in the equation 3, that is in the step 3, and then we obtained the values of x and y. Yeah, so definitely we have followed all the steps. So these are the steps which are already given in your textbook. Now let me move ahead. Yeah, let us understand it better. Which one, sir? Substitution method, by solving one more question. Now the choice is yours. Which question you want me to solve? You can write in the chat box. We have diversified questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 questions are there. But unfortunately, you can pick only one. Which one? 6, 6, 4, 4, 6, 6, 4, 4, 6, 6, 4, 4, 6, 6, 4, 4. Thank you. Thank you. So bumper offer, I will discuss both 4 also and 6 also. Okay. Yeah. So let me take you to the 4th question first. X plus 6y is equals to 6. Let me increase the size. Yeah. 6th question. Given linear pair. That's the tradition which we need to follow. Given linear pair, what the questions were: x plus 6y, 4th one. No, this is 4th one. Sorry, 4th one. This is 4th solution. X plus 6y is equals to 6. X plus 6 by y, no? X plus 6 by y is equals to 6. 6 by y is equals to 6. And then after we have 3x minus 8 by y. 3x minus 8 by y is equals to what it is equals to? That is equals to 5. This is equals to 5. Yeah. So here what we are going to do, how we are going to solve, that's your doubt, right? See beta, substitution method means you have to express either x as y or y as x. So here this can be solved in very diversified manner, Nana. We can solve this in very diversified manner. Somebody asked me fifth one. Ramu, fifth one. Nobody asked me, only Ramu has asked me fifth one. So let me see if there is time. Even I will help with that. Otherwise, I will orally explain, Ramu. Don't worry. So first task is we need to give numbers for the given equation, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now I will start with considering equation number 1. Consider equation number 1. What is equation number 1? Equation number 1 is x plus 6 by y is equals to 6. Right? Now here, what I should make the subject as x. So let me make x as a subject. I will write x is equals to 6 minus 6 by y. Wow, that's it. I should write x as 6 minus 6 by y. That's it. Over. So for this, you people were a little bit, yeah, 6 minus 6 by y. So now let me take this as equation number 3. It's very simple. X we need to substitute as 6 minus 6 by y. 6 minus 6 by y, sorry, not 3. Where in equation number 2. So here I will be writing that substitute 3 in 2. Again, I am writing 1. Substitute 3 in 2. Because 3 we got from equation 1, right? What is equation number 2? Have a look. 3x minus 8 by y. So 3x minus 8 by y is equals to, what it is equals to? It is equals to 5. It is equals to 5. Right? Yeah. So now let me substitute here 3 into, in the place of x, I'm going to write 6 minus 6 by y. So 6 minus 6 by y. Then we have minus 8 by y is equals to 5. Yes, we have done our job. We converted linear equation in 2 variables as linear equation in 1 variable. So now definitely we are going to get the value of y. How? Like this. 3 6 18. Then we have a minus 3 6 again it's 18, but this time by y, 18 by y, right? 18 by y. Just a minute. Yeah, 18 by y. After that we have minus 8 by y, and then we have equals to 5. So I'm getting the chat options, Rana. Y equals to 2 and x equals to 3. Wow, great. I got the answer already. So they have done a speedy answer. So here what I can do is, instead of troubling yourself, first take this 18 that side. Take now. Take. And you will get what? You will get minus 18 minus 8 by y is equals to 5 minus 18. How? You sit and think. You sit and think. These two are like fractions, no, Amma. So by y, yeah. So this will be transforming as what? Minus 18 minus 8 is minus 26. So let me write here. Minus 26 by y is equals to, now coming to the right hand side, what we will get? Right hand side we will get 5 minus 18 is minus 13. If I'm not mistaken, it will be minus 13 here. Minus 13. So minus and minus will get cancelled. 13 ones are, 13 twos are. So we are getting what? 2 by y is equals to 1. Now take this y other side. You will get 2 is equals to 1 into y. That is y. That is y is equals to 2. Wow, we got the value of y is equals to 2. Good, Chandana. That's Chandana who gave the answer first. Y equals to 2. Now you are a free bird. That means now what we have to do, sir? We have to substitute, right? We have to substitute y is equals to 2 in equation number 3. Actually, we can substitute in equation 1 also, 2 also, 3 also. But, you know, yeah, I will be substituting in 3. And what is 3? Once again, you need to write x is equals to 6 minus 6 by y. That is x is equals to 6 minus 6 by y will be replaced as 2 because just now we got y as 2. So x is equals to 6 minus 3. How? 6 by 2 is 3, none. So x is equals to 3. We are getting x as 3. We got x also, we got y also. So finally the conclusion will be what? Therefore required solution is, is what? It is 2, 3 or 3, 2? It is 3, 2. It doesn't matter whom you found first, whether you found y first or x first. When you are writing the solution, you maintain the ordered pair x comma y, that is 3 comma 2. That's it, Nana. I think I have done my job in explaining you in a good manner. So you can take a screenshot of this one. Should I draw a line also here? Not required, no? Not required. Yeah, not required. You can. It's not required. Yeah. Done, done. Thumbs up. Already sent. Yeah, great, great, great. Manpreet Singh also gave x equals to 3. Manpreet Singh, now seeing, wow. Textbook backside seeing, or what? Textbook backside will not be given. Great, great, Manpreet. Even Manpreet also gave answer. I'm happy. Now next, which one you said? Yeah. Ramu, let me help you, Ramu. Ramu, let me help you. Here, here you can write 0.2 as 2 by 10, 0.3 as 3 by 10. Ramu, are you listening? 0.2 as 2 by 10, 0.3 as 3 by 10, 0.4 as 4 by 10, 0.5 as 5 by 10. So both by 10 by 10. So LCM by 10. That by 10 will go that side. And you will get finally, Ramu, you will get finally 2x plus 3y is equals to 130. 4x plus 5y is equals to 230. Understood, Ramu? And then you can solve. Then you can solve. Got it? Ramu is not showing thumbs up. Okay. So next one is sixth one, which you asked me. So sixth one. Let me take you to the sixth solution. I'm not carrying textbook, so that's why every time I need to check the slide. Sixth solution. Sixth solution. Given linear pair. What's the linear pair? Root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 0. It's a simple question actually. Root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 0. Is equals to 0 means, let us see what we'll get. Root 3x minus root 8y is equals to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y is equals to, is that? Yeah, root 8y is equals to 0. Root 2x plus root 3y is equals to 0. Let me consider it as equation number 1. Root 3x minus root 8y is equals to 0. This is equation number 2. So Sai Dikshit this time gave the answer. Very good, Sai Dikshit. X equals to 0, y equals to 0 is the correct answer. Very good, great. So let us see how Sai Dikshit is correct. For that, first I will be considering same like our previous. So shall we consider equation 2 this time? Yeah. Consider equation number 2. Consider equation number 2. Thoda change, right? 1 ke badale 2 main le raha hu. That's it. Equation 1 instead of equation 1, I am taking equation 2. What's that? Root 3x minus root 8y is equals to 0. And this time, let us make y as a subject. What do you say? Shall we? Yeah. So if you want to make y as a subject, first you should take this minus root 8y to that side. Why? So that it will become positive. What? The y term will become positive, Nana. So if you want to make y as a subject, first make it positive. And then again you can take this root 8 this side and you will get what? Root 3 by root 8 x, right? Root 3 by root 8 x is equals to y. So this is y. So one more time you can write y is equals to root 3 by root 8 x, or you can write a big hole under root. That's up to you. That's up to you. This is my equation number 3. I got my equation number 3. Got it? Now what I will do, now I need to substitute this equation number 3, substitute equation number 3 in equation number 1, because we started with 2. What is equation number 1? Let me have a look. Root 2x plus root 3y. Root 2x plus root 3y. Root 2x plus root 3y. y is equals to 0. Now y should be substituted, right? Y. So root 2x plus root 3 into y. In the place of y, I'm going to write this. That is root 3 by root 8x. Wow. Is equals to 0. Now what we are going to get first? We are going to get 0 first. Till this time, the before two questions we got y. So here it will become root 2x plus root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, it will be 3 by root 8x is equals to 0, right? You can take x as common. When you take x as common, inside you will get root 2 plus 3 by root 8 into x is equals to 0. Wow. Now what I got something inside the bracket into x equals to 0. We want x, no? What we want? We want x. So when you want x, other than x, whatever is there, you need to take to the right hand side. And that thing is in multiplication, children. So when it is in multiplication, you know, you will get 0 by the bracket. That is 0 by root 2 plus 3 by root 8. And you know what? 0 by anything other than 0 will be what? 0. So in this manner, we are getting x is equals to 0. Ramu, sorry, Sai Dikshit, correct. So we got x equals to 0, Nana. Now you can substitute this x equals to 0 in equation number 3. So let me do that. Substitute x equals to 0 in equation number 3. What is equation number 3? Y is equals to root 3 by root 8 into x. So y is equals to root 3 by root 8 into 0. Wow. 0 by something is 0 and 0 into something is also 0, Nana. So product of any number with 0 will give us 0 again. So at last we are getting the solution. That is, at last you can write, therefore required solution is now there is no problem in the order because both are same, 0, 0. That's the solution, right? Just a minute. Oh, I have taken very lengthy. Sorry for this, but you take screenshot later, you can expand it and have a look. Show me thumbs up, Nana, if it is done. Show me thumbs up, show me thumbs up. Yeah. So for 1 minute, I'm just stopping the share. Now I'm giving you access also even. You can talk to me. If anybody wants to talk to me, they can talk to me. Now tell me, did you understand the substitution method or you have any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Yeah, I got thumbs up from only D. Ashwita. Yeah, Sahiti, Chandana, right. So shall I move next? Okay. I have given access also, but you're still not unmuting. Very good, right. You're following my words and all the teacher's word. Okay, Nana. So now let me again take you to the next method. That is. So remaining do these questions. Who will do? Yeah, you have to do. So that will be your today's homework, right? Remaining questions you have to do. Sir Ramu, you understood now, fifth one. So you have to do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You have to, Nana. So next is elimination method. So elimination method. I think you're very familiar with the word elimination. You know where we hear this word elimination? We hear this word in some reality shows which are presently not running because of Big Boss. Very good. Big Boss reality shows. In that, what happens? In every week, one of the participant will be eliminated. Now, what do you mean by eliminated? The participant who is going outside again cannot participate. So we are just taking out of the show. So here also the word meaning elimination is nothing but to remove. Whom? To remove or to eliminate one of the variable. Here you can see it's clearly given in this method. First we eliminate. Now the word meaning synonym is given. Eliminate means what? Remove. one of the two variables. So that is up to you, whom you want to eliminate, right? In Big Boss also what happens, those who are participating in a well manner, then they will be there, and those who are not, they will be eliminated. So here you have a choice. You can eliminate X first, or you can eliminate Y. It's up to you. Whom you want to eliminate, you can eliminate. The choice is left to you. You are a free bird, right? So before eliminating, what we have to do is we have to equate its coefficient. That means, for example, here we have 3x plus 2y equals to 11, 2x plus 3y equals to 4. Harini, yes, beta, talk. Harini, you can unmute and talk.
Sir, nothing, sir.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. No, you raised hand, no? So that's why I thought. Yeah. So here, whom we want to eliminate, first we have to decide, right? So let me take you to the board so that we can understand in a better manner. 3x plus 2y equals to 11. Yeah. So once again, we are going to see elimination method. Now the method is elimination method, children. One of the example we are seeing. What are the given questions? 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. That's the first equation. Second equation is 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y is equals to 4. Is equals to 4. That's given. Is equals to 4. The question is what? Solve the following pair of linear equation using elimination method. See, beta, if in the question it is given clearly using elimination method, then you have to use elimination method. And if it is not given, then you are a free bird. You can use substitution method, or you can use elimination method. The choice is yours. But presently, elimination method. Yeah. So see, I'm giving you chance. I will be asking whom, you know, I will be asking one person as my assistant now presently. Who will be my assistant? Yeah, Pawan Kumar. Can you please unmute? Pawan, the future Abdul Kalam.
Sir.
Yes, Pawan, how are you doing? Fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, sorry. Manpreet Singh is asking username and password. See, that doesn't change every time. Every time is same. Username and password for class marker is same. So one time you have registered and created, that is same. So every exam, the same username and password. Don't ask me like that, Manpreet Singh. Yeah. So, where are you? Pawan, tell me whom you want to eliminate, X or Y?
Sir, X.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. You can mute yourself. So I respect Pawan. I will take his words. He said that we want to eliminate X. So if you want to eliminate X, your first job is to make their coefficients same. What is the coefficient of X in the first equation? Let me take the first equation numbers here. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. In equation number 1, coefficient of X is 3. In equation number 2, coefficient of X is 2. So if you have decided that you want to eliminate X, right? If you decided that you want to eliminate X, then first make their coefficients same. Now how we can do that? By taking the LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 2? 3 and 2 LCM is 6. That means this 3 should become 6 and this 2 also should become 6. Now how that can be done, sir? That can be done like this. First you multiply equation number 1 into 2 and then you multiply equation number 2 into 3. What's that? See, the circle is telling that this is equation 1. What is equation 1? Take equation 1 is 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. This is our equation number 1. And with whom we are multiplying? We are multiplying with 2, right? So let me multiply the whole equation into 2. And when you are multiplying the whole equation, then you are going in a legal way, right? That means only its appearance will change, but the equation will be the same equation, right? So 3 2s are, we will get something like 6x plus 2 2s 4y is equals to 22. Now children, this is my equation number 3. Let me tell you, 1 and 3 both are same. Both are same equation. Only their form has been changed. Their appearance has been changed. Many people are giving the answer x as 5 and y is -2. Ramu gave the answer. Himasri G gave the answer. Very good, Nana. Thank you. Now, second equation. What is the second equation? Second equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to 4, and this has to be multiplied into 3. So Manpreet, don't get confused. The circle there means it is equation, and just without circle there means it is a number. So equation 2 is multiplied with number 3. So we will get here 2 3s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9y is equals to 4 3s are 12. So let me take this as equation number 4. Done? Yeah. So equation 1 became equation 3. Equation 2 became equation 4. Now when you observe 3 and 4, children, when you observe 3 and 4, they are having x terms with same coefficient. In equation 3, coefficient of x is 6. In equation 4 also coefficient of x is 6. That's why we have multiplied, right? Now the second thing. Sir, second thing, then what is the first thing? First thing is, if you want to eliminate x, make their coefficient as equal. That is we have done. So that is our first thing, making the coefficient equal, over. Next, second thing, what? If they are of same sign, who? Coefficient of x, plus 6, plus 6. If they are of same sign, then subtract the equation. Now, if they are of opposite sign, for example, here we get minus 6x and here we get plus 6x. That is opposite sign. If they are of opposite sign, who? The term which you want to eliminate are of opposite sign, then you need to add. I repeat, if they are same, having same sign, you subtract. If they are having opposite sign, then you add. Presently, what I should do? I should subtract. Why? Why? Because both are having same sign. So here, my next thing is I have decided to subtract equation 3 minus equation 4. Now you can put a question, sir, is it mandatory that we should subtract 3 minus 4 only? Can't we subtract 4 minus 3? Yes, you can. You can. The choice is yours, right? How you feel comfortable, you subtract. No problem. Now, once again, let me write that in column method. 6x plus 4y is equals to 22. Then below that equation 4, 6x plus 9y is equals to 12. And what you're doing? You are subtracting. Now you're subtracting. Now when you're subtracting, the second equation symbols will change. And the changed symbols you have to put in the bracket. That shows the respect which you are giving. Acha, the symbols will not change if you're adding. If you're adding, the symbols of the second equation will not change. If you subtract, only the symbols of the second equation will change. I think you understood. I should not explain that much, right? Now here you can see that 6x and this is minus 6x. This was plus 6x, but now it is minus 6x. So 6x minus 6x will get cancelled. Then we have 4 minus 9 is minus 5y is equals to 22 minus 12 is 10. Is what? 10. So y is equals to 10 upon minus 5. So that will be y is equals to minus 1 by, minus 2, minus 2. 5 1 times, 5 2 times. Don't forget the minus. We are getting y is equals to minus 2, Nana. We got y as minus 2. Now, this y is equals to minus 2. You can substitute in equation 1 or you can substitute in equation number 2, 3 or 4. Whichever you feel comfortable, you substitute. I will comfortable with equation 1. So let me do that. Here I will be writing substitute y is equals to minus 2 in equation number 1. In equation number 1. Varun Patel is raising hand. What happened, Varun Patel?
Sir, unfortunately.
Okay. Vinay Raj has given answer. Maybe that is for another question, he said. Okay, Nana. Good. So here, what is equation number 1? Equation number 1 is 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. And we are going to substitute y, right? We are going to substitute y. So 3x plus 2 into y. Into y, in the place of y, we write minus 2 equals to 11. That is 3x minus 4 is equals to 11. And next we get 3x is equals to 15. Then 3 ones are 3 5s are. Here one step gone. You write that step. X equals to 5. Right? X is equals to 5. Now Manpreet will ask me again, sir, how we are getting 15? Manpreet, it's for you. 3x is equals to 11. Minus 4 will go that side and it will become plus 4. So 11 plus 4 is 15. This into 3 will go that side. It will become by 3. Right? Yeah. So finally here I did not conclude. You should conclude, Nana. You should conclude. So this is elimination method. Sorry. That much not needed. No? Yeah, this is elimination method. At last, please don't forget the conclusion, right? Therefore, required solution is, you can take a screenshot and show me thumbs up. Required solution is what? Minus 2 comma 5? No, 5 comma minus 2. Again, I said, whatever the way is, it doesn't matter. You find, first you should find x, you should write x, then only you should write y. Thank you. That's it for today, Nana. Let me show you your homework presently. Your homework. Homework already given, no sir, 3 questions. Again homework, sir. Yes, sir. See, do this 1, 2, 3. You should solve this by which method? Elimination method. So 3 plus 3, 6. Sir, this many questions you are giving, and again you are conducting exam tomorrow. How, sir? Yes or no? Yes. So you can solve this one question today. Remaining all you can solve tomorrow after the exam also. The choice is yours. I hope you understood. So whatever class I'm taking, I'm recording that, and again I'm dropping it in the YouTube, you know that. So if anybody has missed the class, this is only for those people. If anybody has missed the class, and if anybody wants to again listen to the class, you know, by which you can get more clarity, so you can watch it, right? Thank you for that. And coming to tomorrow's test, yeah, tomorrow there will be a test from morning 10 to 10:45. So tomorrow need not join. You people will not join the class. Instead of that, you will go to class marker and you will appear for the test. All the best. Don't worry that much, right? It will be multiple choice questions and you have to go through the concepts first. First, try to understand all the concepts. The questions will be simple. Okay, questions will be simple, but at the same time, there will be some questions which you need to solve on pen and paper, using pen and paper. Don't directly, you know, tick the answer. Many people are doing that. No, beta. Test is something which has to be taken seriously, right? Your teacher is doing a lot of hard work till night 11, 12. We are working, and then only the presentation we are able to do. Like yours only one class. Like this, I'm handling 5 classes. You know that 5 classes, right? Yeah. So please prepare well, first chapter, and tomorrow 10 to what? 10 to 10:45.
Sir, 9:30 to 10 class, sir.
9:30 to 10:15 you have class, huh? Okay. Sorry, 10:30. 10:30, okay? You can talk.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
10:30.
So before maths, what class you have?
Physics. Physical science.
Physics class. So, okay. Any problem there or it's okay?
Sir, 10 to 11.
10 to 11 कैसा कंडक्ट करते रहे भैया? आपको फिजिक्स क्लास है ना?
10:30 to 11:30. Sir, 10:30 to 11:30.
10:30 to 11:30 test. Okay, 1 hour. 10:30 to 11:30. Everybody agree? Show me thumbs up.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Don't worry much.
sir.
Okay, don't be tensed or don't be nervous. Then whatever you know, you will forget that. Right? All the best. All the best. 2 thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Yeah, prepare well. Prepare well. And homework you can do one question just for practice. Substitution
Okay,
method,
sir.
1 question. Yeah, yeah. Bye.
Bye.